Hi, my name's Bob Lindy. I'm an herbalist and an herb grower. Today I'm going to talk to you about insecticidal soap recipes for herb gardens. And certainly there's a wide range of choices that you can make on what you choose to help keep the pests away from your plants and your herbs. Of course, there's many very toxic chemicals out there that are very effective for insects, but unfortunately you don't necessarily want to eat the herbs after you've sprayed some of those on there. So one of my favorite choices is actually to use neem oil, which comes from a tree that grows in India and is well known for keeping away pests. So what you can do is go down to your local garden supply store, find some neem oil, and really just want to follow the directions on the bottle there. Usually you add just a little bit into a spray bottle and add some water on there, shake it up well, and go ahead and start applying that to your plants that may be either at risk or already have some bugs on there. There's also a wide variety of different opportunities that people use, using things like cayenne pepper and dish soap and other things that can be very effective as well. But the neem oil is always very well controlled and has a long track record of being used as an insecticide. One of the other things, of course, that's vitally important is making sure that your plants are healthy. Generally, you'll find that insects will attack the weakest and least healthy of the plants, whilst leaving those strong, vibrant plants alone. We find things like poor garden soil, under and over watering, and over fertilizing can oftentimes lead to an unhealthy plant that will attract a variety of different garden pests and insects. So make sure your plants stay healthy, get just the right amount of water, use some neem oil from your local garden supply store if it's necessary, and go ahead and use nature by providing things like ladybugs and praying mantis to keep everything in check and balance. So this is Bob Lindy talking to you about insecticidal soap recipes for your garden. Please enjoy your herbs.